Hey, what's up, Aaron here. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the Upside Cashback app, alright? And then what we're going to do is we're going to cover exactly whether this is a good way for you to save some money and really make some money in the process, because essentially that's what's happening, right? Now, the Upside app is only available in the US, alright? So if you're not available in the US, unfortunately, you can't use this cashback app to save some money, make some money. But don't worry, stick around till the end of the video. I'm going to show you another really cool way to generate some income if you're based in the US or you're not based in the US, okay? Now, for Americans, this is a pretty cool cashback app. It's been around for a very, very long time, and they focus mainly on grocery, gas station, and restaurants. All right, so all across the country, which is pretty cool. And the way that you do it is you just download the app. You can see 10 million downloads on the Google Play Store, and it's pretty cool. All you're really doing is you are downloading the app, and then before you go out to a restaurant or you want to go shopping or you want to pick up some groceries, you basically use their app to check out the map of all their partners, because they've got about 100,000 locations across the country, which is pretty amazing, right? 100,000 locations, okay? And then based on what it says on the map, you can go to a Shell station, a Taco Bell, a BP, for example, and you can get specific cashback opportunities off certain items. All right. Now, depending on where you go and what are some of the partners, in general, you can save about 10 cents per gallon of gas. That's not bad. Okay, so it's not a ton, but it's better than nothing. So 10 cents per gallon of gas that you save, up to about 8% on restaurants. Sometimes a little bit more, all right, sometimes a bit less, but on average is about 8% savings on restaurants and about 5% savings on grocery stores, all right? And so that is across the country. And the way that it works is as soon as you do the savings, you go to the app, you make the purchase, and what usually happens is about 3 to 5 days later, that's when you're going to get the reimbursement of the cash back into your account. Okay, and once you're ready to cash out, there are a few different ways to cash out. You can cash out directly through your bank account, which is cool, right? ACH. You can opt in for PayPal, and they can send it directly to your PayPal address, or you can use any one of their many gift cards. Okay, so AMC Theaters, Amazon gift cards, Target, Nike, Amazon. You get the idea, right? So these are some of the different ways that you can actually withdraw your money. Now, here's the big question, okay? How much money can you really make from the Upside app? Because the thing is that with cashbacks, I mean, if you're saving 5% here, 6% there, 10 cents per gallon of gas, is it a lot of savings, right? Well, on average, you can expect to save anywhere between $250 and $300 per year. So that's not per month, that's per year. All right, so roughly about on average $20 per month. So it's not a huge amount of savings, but here's the thing about cashback apps. If you are based in the US and you're going to be spending money on food and gas and eating out in restaurants anyway, you may as well just save a little bit of money, right? So it's not a big deal to use the app, but you do have to understand that with this, you do have to make sure you take out the app and check it every single time before you make a purchase or before you fill up gas. That's the only thing, all right? So if you feel like saving a bit of money, like $200 a year or roughly about $20 a month, is worth it, then you can definitely check out the Upside app. Okay, now I also wanted to see what other people were saying about the app, because that's really important as well, right? Because the thing about apps is that sometimes they work really well, but sometimes they don't work so well. It just depends on your luck. So one of the websites that I use is called Trustpilot. It's a third-party website, and unfortunately, you can see that there are quite a lot of 1 stars for Upside. Okay, and you can see 81% 1 stars, 5%. 7% 5 stars, right? But here's the thing about third-party review websites like Trustpilot. Usually, when people have a problem, that's when they leave a review. That means most of the time they're going to complain, okay? And because Upside doesn't proactively use Trustpilot as their review system, it's usually only the people who are complaining and that have a problem. Now, unfortunately, there are quite a lot of 1 stars, all right? But there's only about 110 total reviews, so it's not that much on the grand scheme of things. And Upside has, millions and millions and millions of downloads, okay? So a lot of people across the US use it, 10 million downloads. So 100 1-star complaints, let's just say on like 90, for example, is not that big a deal. But I just wanted to cover some of the things that people have said, okay? So some people have said that they haven't received their cash back. So there could be a glitch in the system. It's not that Upside is not paying out everybody. It's just that unfortunately for some people, if you're unlucky, something's going wrong with the app, maybe it's a weird update, you may not get your cash back. So you just have to kind of test it out and see. I think it happens to some people, but probably not to everybody. Okay, some people say, it has come up with 4 different ways to short me on their purchases. They talk in circles. They do not resolve the issue. So maybe when you are making some purchases, it's not going to be foolproof. Sometimes, again, it's an app, it's technology, it's supposed to work, but sometimes things don't work, right? So if you're going to make a claim, or you're trying to make a purchase through one of their partner restaurants, maybe you may not necessarily get that cash back because there was a glitch in the system. It doesn't mean that Upside is out to scam everybody or anything like that. It just means that, look, a lot of people use this app. Over 10 million people use the app, so sometimes there are going to be some tech issues, but I just wanted you to be aware that sometimes this may happen, okay, if you're a little bit unlucky, right? So again, took forever. They gave them a fraction of what was supposed to be credited back. So some people said that they had issues with actually getting the cash back, and some were saying that, or this gentleman right here is saying that they credited less than what was even supposed to be cashed out. So it's possible. Sometimes this can happen as well, which is not great. Okay, but again, some of them are tech issues and things like that, right? And just understand that some of these things may happen. All right, so if you want to give it a shot, right, they are a very, very popular app. You may not get as much savings as they say you can on the app, and that's also usually the case with a lot of these, cashback apps. Unfortunately, here's the deal, right? Upside works for the majority of people. Are you going to make a ton of money with Upside? Probably not. I mean, we're talking about $20 savings a month. It's very little in savings. There's not that much you can do with an extra $20 a month. You could probably go for a meal. Maybe you can get a couple of movie tickets, and that's pretty much it. A few cups of coffee right there, and then it's done. Right? Are you going to make a lot of money or save a lot of money with Upside? No. This is just kind of like, look, if you're based in the US and you eat and you buy groceries and pump gas, and you just want to save a little bit for the stuff that you're already doing, then you're going to save a little bit, right? You're not going to save hundreds or thousands. It's not really designed to do that. So if you're open to pulling out the app and going through the process of doing it every time you want to make a purchase, then you might save just a little bit of money. All right, but if you want to check it out, you can head to upside.com. Obviously, they're not immune from some of their tech issues, right? So just understand that when you're coming into using the Upside app. Okay, now if you're here watching this video right now, and you've never been on this channel, I review all sorts of different ways to save money, make money, generate more income for yourself, and I've reviewed hundreds and hundreds of different strategies. All right, and if you want to see the way that I've done it, where I've quit my full-time job and I earn hundreds of thousands of dollars 100% using the internet, I actually document this entire process on one of my free trainings that you can access if you want, just by clicking the link right below this video. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this review of Upside. All the best to you, and I will see you on the next one.